Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create and use custom shortcuts for longer phrases or words on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on General. Next, we scroll down and tap on Keyboard. Then scroll down and tap on Text Replacement. In here, tap on the Add button to create a new phrase and shortcut. So just correct this one here. Okay. So let's just create say XXX and then tap on Saved. So now if I go to my notes to open up the keyboard, you can see here if I type in my shortcut XXX, and then I can use my shortcut, my keyboard shortcuts to enter in long phrases or words. And that's it. That is how you can create a custom long phrases, words, keyboard shortcut. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.